The ongoing cost of Algorand is around $2.18. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is gauged that the most extreme cost for the coin might be around $0.47 with a base cost of $0.17. When it is 2025, our Algorand cost forecast proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $0.75. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around $0.52. Assuming that the ongoing energy proceeds and the Algo crypto can get consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand gauge demonstrates that the greatest cost might be $0.5 with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around 0.779 when the land lunar disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to $0.71 in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to $795 that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of $3,559 and $15. Be that as it may, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market opinions. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will find opportunity to recover its lost force and turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its creative utilization of haphazardness to tackle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing verification of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand, the Algo token. Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought a remarkable token Algo that is presently a significant hit at the famous trades coordinating the speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage Algo, the tremendous potential. For installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most reduced charges. Algorand's brilliant agreements Ask Ones are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, irreversibility, security, and cost viability. Ask Ones can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Ask Ones are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language Greenish-Blue and Pydial, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation in handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand Algo, displaying the futurity. The strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the Algo token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi biological system with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that brokers that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to the Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from Pow to Pass, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated confirmation of stake component. This implies Algorand overwhelms regarding versatility, and these variables will without a doubt help the Algorand cost rise. All things considered, brokers ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand estimates prior to going into any of digital forms of money. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around $0.19 with a market capitalization of $1,393,729.88 with a flowing inventory of 7,230,198,467 Algo. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This system can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost expectation, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $0.7 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some combination, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The Algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. Algo Coin Value Forecast 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the Algo coin could reflect enormous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of $0.47, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs, some time or another. However, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be $0.19. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively taken on the POS system and hence has gigantic development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and Algo exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the $0.59 mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Forecast 2026. Having seen a colossal DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand Algo. The organization is very famous, with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of $0.75, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. Algo Value Expectation 2027. With organizations and local area financing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand Algo is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $0.95, which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, yet without a doubt possible instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around $0.66. Algo Crypto Value Forecast 2028. In view of the expectations, the Algo coin might have a base cost of $0.82 with a greatest cost of $0.18 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $0.17 in view of our Algo gauge. Algo Value Forecast 2029. In 2029, the Algo coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $0.96 to $1.38, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the typical cost of the token might be $0.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030.